Ayun, dumating na siya guys, ang 341.70 pesos natin na withdraw.
Hi guys! So I'm not officially back yet, pero nag-video ako dahil gusto kong isama kayo sa aking pag-withdraw. Eto, dito sa aking Shopback. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, I do make videos kung saan makaka-earn tayo kahit nasa cellphone lang. And free lang po siya, wala po kayong babayaran. Make sure lang talaga na meron kayong internet and lalaruin nyo siya. But as of now, wala pa akong mga bagong earning applications na nilalaro ngayon guys dahil sa super busy ko talaga. Pag nakapag-time na ako, babalik at babalikan ko po kayo. And for today's video, yun na nga, samahan niyo akong withdraw dito. So eto siya guys, this is from Shopback. As you can see, eto na yung lifetime earnings ko, 1,971. Unti-unti ko na po to silang na-withdraw guys. And now, meron akong available na pwedeng i-withdraw na 341 pesos. Kung mahilig kayong mag-order online, mostly lahat ng mga applications na pinag-o-orderan nyo guys, meron dito, merong Shein. Kung mahilig kayong bilhin ng pagkain, meron tayong Foodpanda, merong Lazada, merong Shopee. If mahilig kayong mag-travel, merong Klook. So, diba, super sulit talagang gumamit ng Shopback guys. And to tell you honestly, hindi po to siya sponsored na video. As in, ako naglalaro talaga ako on myself. And this is now my earnings. As a student pa lang, imagine that one. So ngayon, samahan niyo akong mag-withdraw. Let's tap this withdraw button. And as you can see, meron akong connected account dito. Meron akong Paymaya. And actually, madami pa tong inyong i-connect guys. Pwedeng Globe, GCash, PayPal, or Paymaya. And pwede din kayo bank transfer to BDO, BPI, Metrobank, China Bank, and East West. So, merong nakalagay na show more. So, madami na pala. Meron pang PNB, RCBC, Security Bank, Union Bank, and UCPB. So, dati guys, konting-konti pa lang yung banks na natanggap nila ngayon. Lumalaki at lumalaki na po si Shopback. Super trusted ko na talaga to. As you can see, i-verify nyo na lang din para dali na lang siyang dadating sa inyo. Yung full amount yung ilalagay natin guys. And as you can see, 341.70. So, 341.70. Tap natin ang withdraw. And yeah, verification ng mukha. And as you can see, withdrawal successful na guys. So, marireceive ko to siya within 3 to 5 working days. And today is Saturday. So, I will expect mga Tuesday or Wednesday ko to siya makukuha. So, view withdrawal history. Tignan nyo to. So, madami na talaga akong withdrawal dito guys. So, hindi always ang withdrawal since hindi naman ako always bumibili online. At least meron perang bumabalik sa akin guys na pwede ko siyang iipon or pwede ko siyang pambili ulit. You can see dito oh, Foodpanda, TikTok Shop, Shopee, ayan, Shein. Pwede din kayong mag-referral guys. Merong refer a friend and you will earn bonus cashback every time you refer a friend. You can earn 100 pesos cashback for you and for your friend. So, ibig sabihin, makakatanggap yung ni-refer mo ng 100. At the same time, ikaw din, makakatanggap din siya. So, it's a win-win situation. Here how it works. If you're the referrer, share your unique link or code, add withdrawal details to your Shopback, and your friend has to spend 300 pesos with confirmed cashback. And if you are a referral, successfully sign up with your friend's unique link or code, accumulate a total of 150 of confirmed cashback, add withdrawal details on your Shopback account. Once completed, meron silang marireceive na 100 from the link na tinap nila. So, mas maganda talaga na galing kayo sa link, mag-sign up, pero meron kayong instant 100 pesos and gawin nyo na lang yung requirements para ma-meet nyo po yung 100 pesos na matatanggap nyo from the link. So, if wala pa kayong link guys, feel free to scroll down sa ating description below. Ilalagay ko siya dyan. And si ating Shopback guys is available sa App Store if you are using iOS and available din siya sa Play Store if you are using Android phone or kahit sa tablet nyo guys.
Sa Maya wallet ko na talaga yan guys. Kaya if wala pa kayong application, feel free to visit dyan sa ating description below. Ilalagay ko yung link. Gumawa lang kayo ng account nyo guys. Make sure dun kayo sa link mag-click bago kayo gumawa ng bagong account. Pero meron kayong 100 pesos na matatanggap from my link. Kasi if diretso kayo nag-download lang sa application guys, wala kayong matatanggap na free 100 pesos.
So, yun lang guys. Sana makabalik na ako sa pag-vlog dito sa ating YouTube channel. Mag-share ng mga earning applications na tiyak wala tayong ilalabas na pera, tayo ang makakatanggap ng pera. So, ayun lang guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo po tong video and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!